Good afternoon. My name is Kate Lincoln-Goldfinch. I am an immigration attorney in Texas, and I represent one of the impacted families by the courthouse arrest last week. Let's be clear about what this is. It is a betrayal of justice. This is Eduardo. He's married to Carmen. Eduardo is a U.S. citizen. These are their daughters, Galilea and Jocelyn. Carmen has 5 U.S. citizen daughters. She is doing everything the right way. She's been in this country for years. She's showing up to court, and she has several avenues for relief for staying in this country legally. And yet, last week, I set a trap for Carmen and her family, and the judge, who usually allows virtual hearings, demanded that she come into the courthouse knowing that people were being detained. The cases were being dismissed and people were being detained. And I ask us, what kind of country is this where we punish people for following the law? What message are we sending? I sure don't know any parents who punish their children for cleaning their rooms. Do you? That would not make any sense. It encourages the wrong behavior. And for some people who don't understand the immigration court context, let me put this in the criminal court context. Let's say a criminal defendant is going to trial. They're having their day in court. Maybe they have a defense. Maybe it's self-defense. Maybe they weren't there that day, and they're going to court, and they're going to get to tell their story. And the day that they show up in court, the prosecutor says, you know what, Your Honor, we're going to dismiss this trial. We're just going to close it out, never mind. And that defendant, thinking that they're free, walks out of the courtroom where the police arrest them and say, actually, you are convicted and sentenced to jail time without a hearing, without a jury, without an opportunity to appeal. That sounds pretty unconstitutional, doesn't it? This is exactly what is happening in immigration court. I'd like you to hear from one of these impacted families. Soy Kate Lincoln-Goldfinch, abogada de inmigración. Les presento a uno de mis clientes que fue afectada sobre las detenciones en la Corte de Inmigración la semana pasada, que es una injusticia.
Yo quiero que mi mamá venga para atrás porque la extraño mucho. And I want my mom to come back for me because now she can't make me to eat.
This is what we're doing to immigrant families who are following the rules. This is family separation. It is an injustice, and I urge the judges to resist dismissing these cases, ICE to stop these actions, and release all of the impacted families immediately.
That's right.